welcome to Jam. Okay, today I would like to ask you, why do you do exercise? Is it because you want to make your body firm and fit, or to lose weight, or maybe both? But anyhow, I believe that we do exercise because we want to be healthy for being younger. I am sure everyone wants to look young forever. However, as we grow older, our skin loses the elasticity, and also it will produce more wrinkles, especially around your eyes, mouth, and also neck. So how do you control your wrinkles, and how do you reduce your wrinkle? This CareCella facial lineup lifting gel is the best way for your wrinkle solution. Also, it helps to rejuvenate your skin, and the main ingredient in this product is fullerene. Fullerene is the novel priced and innovative materials. So in this one small box, you will get 4 sachets, and it's so easy to use. Only 20 minutes you can get instant result, and you can see the difference, which is your wrinkle and facial line slowly missing. So are you excited to use it? So let me show you how to use. So as usual, I will show you guys how to use, and I will make it half part. Here I will put the lifting gel, and here I will not put anything on it. Okay, so let me apply it. Take one brush and just spread it on the brush. Put it one side and apply it upwards. You will see the instant result. Okay? Oops, sorry. I will make you focus on one part. Especially your wrinkles part, put more. Okay, so now can you see a little bit different here? Already go up. Just do it upwards, and it also helps to balance up your skin tone, tighten up your wrinkles, pore, and skin. As you can see, this side already firm. Yeah, it instant result. I feel it's stretch and very feel like baby. Just look younger on this side. And then this side is more flabby. Okay, you can see the difference. So after you put you apply the lifting gel, and then you just wait for 20 minutes, and after that you just can peel off or rinse it with warm water. Okay, either one lah. So as you can see, I can see the result now, and later you need to apply I need to apply one more side, so it will be equal lah. Okay, now I will apply on the other side too, so that you can see the full result. Same, apply it upwards. Now I I already applied both of my face. Not both of my face. Both part, which is this part and this part. So I feel it so stretched, and my jawline already go upwards. I feel like my skin is a baby skin, and this CareCella facial lineup lifting gel helps me a lot to reduce my eye wrinkles and also my smile line. You see, if I smile, don't have any line already. So if you want to know more about CareCella brand and other Gcoop brand, you can follow our official Facebook page, which is Gcoop Malaysia, and also please do search our official website, which is www.gcoop.com. And I will see you in the next video, and I will guide you on the next product. Okay, if you want to get the skin like me, please use our product, and it's so simple and easy. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.